morning, Sharpshot21 here. Time for a little unboxing. Picked up a new camera and I thought I'd show you guys what we got. So, see you in a minute. Alrighty. So I picked up this little kit the other day. It's a DJI Osmo Action and the charging kit for it too. So we'll start with the charging kit. Comes with, says 2 batteries and cases, so that'll be those. A little manual. Gonna go with that's just packaging. Yeah, just packaging spacer. A little charging dock. No USB-C to charge it. And each one of these is a battery. So you've got a battery, and each battery case has a micro SD slot in it, which is kind of nice. Batteries come out. You got your connection prongs there. They have a nice weatherproof gasket all the way around. And then these will just kind of firmly click into the dock. It does look like there's a power button on that. Not to mention, in front of all 3 slots is a little LED. I'm going to assume it goes green when it's charged, and it stays red when it is charging. So that's quite nice, actually. I do like that the batteries have a case for them. So we'll set that off to the side, and we'll get into the show. Very nice packaging, as I'd expect from DJI. Folds open. I do like that they included a little lens protector right here. Pull the camera out, set it to the side for a minute. Inside there is a little box, and it is their style of mount, which is similar to the GoPro mounts, and that it is a quick mount, but it's a 90-degree turn mount. So you get one for a curved surface, one for a flat surface. Let's see, we get the it's like a cable and the thumb screw. battery mount. Another battery. And for more information card. And the manual. And manual in Chinese. So not a bad little kit. I think I picked it up for a couple of $100. So not a bad USB-C. Definitely not the greatest, but not bad. So it comes with lens covers, which you should expect. Does have a GoPro style case. Pop it out of the case here. There we go. Pop it out of the case. I'm probably going to get a new skeleton for it. Though it's not a bad one. Does have front screen and the rear screen. About the size of a GoPro. A little bit smaller than my 7 actually. This is about the width of 2 5s. And then it does have, somehow, well, these lenses do come off, so you can put filters on them, different lenses, like a wide angle or a ND filters, polarized filters, that sort of stuff. Battery mount is in the bottom. There is a little latch for it right here on the side. There's another latch for the battery there. Push this button and pull down. There's your USB-C and your micro SD slot in there. So all in all, not bad. Let's pop the battery in. And there's a couple buttons. You've got one up here which is power and display, one over here which is record, and one there which is quick shot. And it looks like it comes with batteries that are all flat. No biggie. So I'm going to pull the warning label off of the bottom of the battery here. Don't need that. This will be a nice little camera. The thing that I really like about it is the replacement batteries. I know some of the GoPro models have it, but a lot of them don't. And that's kind of annoying. Because, oh, right in the middle of filming and the battery dies. Well, with this thing, both tabs. Battery comes out. New battery goes in. SD card out, SD card in. Power it back up, and off you go. One thing I did want to note, the little battery cases are kind of a cool feature on DJI's part. You can put the battery in one of two ways. And where you put the little connector portion, there's two symbols cut into the case. One is battery depleted, one is battery full. It's actually really smart of them to do that. So, chalk that up too. Alright, so quick little overview and unboxing of the DJI Osmo Action. Incidentally, I did record this on my Osmo Pocket, so I do like their stuff. I have paid for all their stuff. No one has sent me anything. We'll see how this action goes. We'll do a long-term review, I don't know, end of the summer. But hope you enjoyed. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. If you got comments, drop them down below or pop over onto the Discord. Hit that like button and keep in touch. Sharps out.